Now we got you recording, Richard. Hey, suits you now, Richard, better? He's smiling, so it must be happy. Did a video and lost him. He runs so fast, I lost him in the video. But he's really testing the brakes out. You'll lock him up, won't it, Richard? That's my sister. Shortened the steering arm up, painted his wheels, painted the hood, fixed the toolbox, new tank on the rear. What else, Nathan, did we do?
Wheels, tires, front end, a whole bunch of other little project creepy stuff.
Yeah.
We're very excited. I'm excited.
Good.
Right up until snow.
Good.
How's the water? That's the bonds treatment.
Okay, I think that's about it. Nathan Dickey.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, Nathan. Glad you guys came up here. From where are you from, Nathan? You guys up New Hampshire or Maine?
Wolfboro, New Hampshire.
New Hampshire, okay. Away from New Hampshire. There's Richard. I've known Richard since I was 14 years old, so I'm 50 now, so. We're gonna load it up and get him home. 740B, right?
Yeah.
7 passenger.
No, 5 passenger.
Oh, it's 5 passenger. It ain't a B then, is it? Like I said, I put a tank inside the tank. All new tires. I blasted his rim, painted them. I sealed his wheels. We got them painted. And the hood, I shrunk and stretched that hood. It was all warped and bent. Front axle, we 740A. Had the front axle part. We greased everything. I shortened the steering arm up on the. I'll give everybody a good quick here. I took 1.5 inches out of that steering arm, which makes a world of difference. It makes them steer so much easier. What else did we do? That's about it. Painted the hood. Like I said, I stretched that and shrunk it. I'll put hydraulic brakes on it. I put drums inside those drums. So that's it. Hey, thanks for watching.